Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Muntazir Hussain. In today's lecture, I will introduce you a brief introduction of the Microsoft Office. We will study what is Microsoft Office, what are the packages that are included in the Microsoft Office. I will briefly show you the history and evaluation of the Microsoft Office software, starting from the first version of the Microsoft Office and until the modern as well as the next version of the Microsoft Office. We will briefly discuss about the current version of the Microsoft Office, and I will explain the different software packages that are provided by the Microsoft Office. For example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Visio, Publisher, Access, Outlook. So we will see the detail of each and every package provided by the Microsoft Office. So first of all, we will briefly explain what is Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is developed by Microsoft Corporation, and Microsoft Corporation is developed in 1st August in 1988, and is a company, or we can say corporation in USA. Bill Gates is the owner of Microsoft company. So in computer, we have two types of application or software. The first one is the system software and the second is the application software. The system software are required to properly operate the system. For example, in computer, we require Windows. So Windows is the operating system and is an example of system software. And the second type of software is known as application software. The application software is not required to properly operate the computer, but these are the specific application software. These are the specific software that may be required for one user and depending upon the requirement. So, for example, Microsoft Office is an example of application software. And the Microsoft Office is used for special purpose work such as documentation, worksheet, presentation, database, drawing, for example, in order to draw different diagrams, flow chart, uh, flare design, brochure design. So Microsoft Office is an example of application software and is used for different purposes, and different packages are included in Microsoft Office that can be used for different purposes. For example, Microsoft Word is most commonly used for documentation. Microsoft Excel is commonly used for worksheet, and PowerPoint presentation is used for making presentation. Similarly, Access is used for database, Visio and Publisher are used for drawing and brochure design. Now we will see the different packages that are provided by the Microsoft Office. The first package is known as Word, Microsoft Word, MS Word, or simply Word is the text editor and is one of the most commonly used package of the Microsoft Office. The second package of the Microsoft Office is known as Microsoft Excel and is most commonly used for making spreadsheet. The third package of the Microsoft Office is known as Microsoft PowerPoint and is commonly used for making powerful and effective presentation. The next package of the Microsoft Office is known as OneNote and is the note-taking application. Is we can say is the single user management system. The next is the Microsoft Outlook is the email client of Microsoft Office suite that is used to receive the email, send an email, or to save an email. The next package of the Microsoft Office is known as Microsoft Access, and it is also known as database management system and is the advanced version. We can say that is the advanced version of the Microsoft Excel. We can use both Microsoft Excel as well as Microsoft Access for managing data, but Microsoft Access provides an effective way and easy way to manage large number of data. Microsoft Office Publisher provide an effective way to design brochure, postcard, event card, and layer design, and provide user-friendly interface for designing brochure, event card, diagram, etc. Microsoft SharePoint can be used as an office management system and is popular in business community. SharePoint is used for storing the office document and managing the office document, and the document can be secured via password, and single as well as multiple user can access the document. Microsoft Visio is the package of the Microsoft Office suite. It can be used for designing diagram, vector graphics, and flowchart. So these are the packages that are included in the modern version of the Microsoft Office. The first is the Microsoft Word, second is the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Access, Publisher, SharePoint, and Visio. These are the packages that are included in the current version of the Microsoft Office. But among these packages, the Microsoft Word and the Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint are the most commonly used packages of the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office. The Microsoft Word is used as a text editor, Excel is used as a spreadsheet, and PowerPoint presentation, PPT or Microsoft PowerPoint is used for making presentations. So these three packages are the most common among other packages. Each package of the Microsoft Office, for example, the Word is compatible with the PowerPoint and the PowerPoint is compatible with the Publisher, and each of the package provided by the Microsoft Office is compatible with other package. For example, we can draw a diagram on Visio and we can easily copy that diagram from Visio to the Word document. Similarly, we can design brochure or card using Microsoft Publisher, and we can easily copy that design brochure or card from Publisher into some other package of the Microsoft Office. For example, we can copy that brochure from Publisher to the Word. And furthermore, the packages provided by the Microsoft Office are compatible with both Windows and Mac operating system. And Microsoft Office packages are the most commonly used packages in the world. So now we will see the brief history and evaluation of the Microsoft Office. The Microsoft Office Corporation was developed in 1st August in 1988. And first version of the Microsoft Office was released in 24th August 2000 in 1995 and is known as Microsoft Office 1995. The second version of the Microsoft Office is known as Office 97, and this version was released in 20 June 1997. The next version of the Microsoft Office is known as Office 2019, and it was released on 7 June 1999. The Microsoft Office XP version were released on 21st May 2012, and the Microsoft Office 2003 were released in 2003. The Microsoft Office 2007 was released on 38th January 2007. The Microsoft Office 2010 were released on 15 April 2010. And Microsoft Office 2013 was released on 29 January 2010. Office 2016 were released on 22 December 2015. And the current version of the Microsoft Office is Microsoft Office 2019, and it was released on 24 September 2018. And this is the current version of the Microsoft Office, and the next version of the Microsoft Office will be released in the late of 2001 and is the Microsoft Office 2022. So the current version of the Microsoft Office is 2019, is compatible with both Mac, Windows and Mac operating system. It is the successor to the Office 2016, and the current version of the Microsoft Office will be succeeded by the Microsoft Office 2022 in the second half of 2021. It was released on 24 September 2018 and is compatible with both Windows 10 as well as Mac operating system. So now we will explain each package, the functionality of each package provided by the Microsoft Office. The first package of the Microsoft Office is Microsoft Word, which is also known as MS Word or simply Word, is the word processing component of the Microsoft Office suite. It is commonly used for entering in the document, edit the document, format the document, save, retrieve, and print the document. By document, I mean thesis, report, or assignment. So Microsoft Office can be effectively used to enter the data, to save the data, to format the data, as well as to retrieve and print the data using Microsoft Word. And the file extension for the Microsoft Word is doc or docs. The second package of the Microsoft Office is the Microsoft Excel and is most commonly used for making spreadsheet. And spreadsheet consists of column and rows, as we can see from the logo of the Microsoft Excel. The data are managed or entered in the form of column and rows. And a large amount of data can be managed and saved in the tabular format using MS Excel. One of the effective and most efficient feature of the Microsoft Office is the calculation, is the easy way by which we can apply the calculation on large amount of data that is entered into the column and rows. We can apply mathematical formula on different columns as well as on different rows, and we can easily calculate the output. And the file extension for the Microsoft Office file extension for the Microsoft Excel is .xls file. The third package of the Microsoft Office is Microsoft PowerPoint and is commonly used for making presentation. Each presentation consists of various slides that may contain data, information, bullet point, graph, and table. The presentation can be made more effective by including audio, video, or graphics. Furthermore, the PowerPoint presentation can be made more interactive and more effective by applying different effects such as transition, animation, and effects. So Microsoft PowerPoint provides an effective way to deliver the idea using the easily available tool that is provided in the Microsoft PowerPoint. So in terms of graphic user interface, Microsoft Office can be used to make an interesting and appealing presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint provides processing, outlining, drawing, graphic, and presentation management tool that can be easily used to make a presentation. And the file extension for the Microsoft PowerPoint is PPT. The fourth package of the Microsoft Office is known as Microsoft Outlook. It is the email client of the Microsoft Office suite, and MS Outlook is the personal information management system. The Microsoft Outlook can be used as a single user application or multi-user application, and its functionality include, for example, task managing, calendaring, contact managing, managing journal login and web browsing. So Microsoft Outlook is a personal management system that can be used for these tasks, and the file extension for the Microsoft Outlook is .pst. The package of the Microsoft Office is known as Microsoft Access. It is also sometimes known as Data Management System, and Microsoft Office can be used to create table, queries, form, report, and we can import and export data into some other format. And the file extension for the Microsoft Access file is .accddb. The sixth package of the Microsoft Office is Microsoft OneNote. It was released on 19 November 2003. It is a note-taking application. Initially, it was a part of Microsoft Office, and later on, the developer made it free as a stand-alone package and is easily available at Play Store for Android devices. The note may include images, package, text, graph, and table, etc. And the Microsoft OneNote can be used as online app as well as offline, and it is the single and multi-user application. And the file extension for OneNote file is .one. The next package of the Microsoft Office is the Microsoft Publisher and is the desktop entry level desktop packages that is provided by the Microsoft Office suite. MS Publisher is different. If we compare the MS Publisher with the MS Word, both can be used to design the flyer, brochure, card, event card, etc. But it is quite easy to design the brochure card event in using Microsoft Publisher instead of the Microsoft Word, because the emphasis is in the Microsoft Publisher is more on page layout and design instead of text, entering text, formatting text composition and proofing. So it is quite easy to use Microsoft Publisher for designing event cards, brochure, cards, and flyer. The next package of the Microsoft Office is known as Microsoft Visio. So this product was first introduced in 1992, and Microsoft Visio is the most commonly used software used for designing diagrams, vector graphics, flowcharts, and it is quite easy to organize complex idea using Microsoft Visio, because Microsoft Visio can provide different meeting templates, including flowchart, timeline, floor plan, and many more. We can insert different diagrams, diagram, text, shape, pictures, and we can interconnect different diagram and picture using the connect functionality of the Microsoft Office, Microsoft Visio. And we can give a professional look to the diagram that are designed using Microsoft Office by applying different style, effect, theme, and background. So we can also create dynamic diagrams that can be linked to the Microsoft Access, PowerPoint, Excel, database, as well as SharePoint. Furthermore, we can not only draw the diagram on the by using Microsoft Visio, but we can also save the diagram to the cloud, and we can share the design diagram with other users, even though they can use that diagram design via Microsoft Visio, even though who do not have Microsoft Visio software. So the name package of the Microsoft Office is known as Microsoft SharePoint. So SharePoint is Office document management system and storage system. It allows a single as well as multi-user to set up a password-protected document sharing in a secure, organized location. So, for example, multiple people working on a single project can store the document at some secure location, and each and every user can access and update, edit that document. It is popular tool for businesses. So different packages are included in the Microsoft Office as we discussed above. Some other packages are also included in the current version of the Microsoft Office 2019. For example, the Project 2019, Exchange Server 2019, Skype for Businesses, Business Server 2019, Project Server, and Office Online Server. These are the packages that are recently included in the current version of the Microsoft Office. So these packages are updated day by day, and the packages provided by the Microsoft Office are more user friendly as compared to the older version of the Microsoft Office. So in today's lecture, I introduce the Microsoft Office. We study what is Microsoft Office. We have seen the history and evaluation of the Microsoft Office. We have discussed about the current version of the Microsoft Office, and we see the detail of each and every package provided by the Microsoft Office. So thank you very much for your time. If you have any question or query, you may ask. I welcome your question and query. So thank you very much.